Oh, when I was a kid, we always had Ovaltine at home. It was the best.
It tastes amazing.
Oh, it tastes amazing. It was rainy, and then we came home, and our mother makes Ovaltine, and then it warms your heart.
Why are you doing that?
When you get a boo-boo, you get cold Ovaltine. When you're cold, you get warm Ovaltine, and it's so good. And you put a little bit of milk in it, and you do it, and it gets all fluffy on top. That's what I like. That's my favorite memory.
Just like we remember, delicious.
Yeah, of course, it took me back when I was young.
Say, I love Ovaltine.
I love
Ovaltine.
He was low in iron, and that's why we started drinking this.
That's one of the reasons I chose Ovaltine over the other ones, because it has vitamins.
Ovaltine's a great way of getting vitamins and minerals, and the kids like to drink it too.
Rich, chocolatey, creamy, warm.
What stick is about to fall?
That special mommy home chocolatey.
Left Ovaltine. More Ovaltine, please. Man, why do I have to be the only one saying it? You are.
Say more Ovaltine, please.
More Ovaltine.